Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rots. Number 1. Petroleum jelly. Use petroleum jelly to make sticky trap for rots. Find an old jar and smear the inside with the jelly. Next put some crumbs or food scraps in the creatures. Will clamp in for the treat but won't be able to clamp out. Alternatively, spread some petroleum jelly on the pieces of cardboard and then sprinkle some sugar on them. Place the cardboard in their hiding spots. Number 2. Soapy water. It's a good idea to keep a spray bottle with soapy water around the spray any rots that crawl out from hiding. The solution kills cockroaches shortly after as the soap creates a film that prevents them from breathing properly. Also use soap and water to thoroughly wipe down kitchen counters and food surface. Left it sit for at least 20 minutes. Suffocate any bacteria lurking around. Afterward, wipe again with pour fresh water to clean away the soap residue. Number 3. Pyrethrins. These are compounds found naturally in some chrysanthemum flowers. Paralyzes the nervous system of roaches and other insect pests while you can make a dye cockroach killer by grinding up the flower heads. It is best for buy of pyrethrin based insecticide. Number 4. Coffee grounds. The smell of coffee attracts roaches, but the product itself will not harm them, so you will likely have to use it as bait. To get rid of creature, make a dye trap by placing a paper cup with coffee grounds into a jar with water. The roaches will be drawn to the aroma, after which they'll drop into the water and drown. Number 5. Bi-Carb Soda. Combine equal amounts of Bi-Carb Soda and icing sugar in a bottle, shaking together and sprinkle across either entry points to your home or in areas you've spotted cockroaches. You could also place some in shallow dishes. The roaches are attracted to sweetness of the sugar while the Bi-Carb will kill the roaches. You could also use borax, purchased from the supermarket for around $4 with the icing sugar. It is more potent, so you only need a tablespoon or so per half cup of sugar. You should keep borax away from pets or small children as it can be harmful if ingested. If you are reading this during lunch, I'd put down your fork and added bones of this method is that cockroaches will eat their dead. You can use these gross facts against them as their cannibalistic tendencies means they will eat the poisoned cockroach and likely be effective too.